Alright, welcome back to the channel. This is our third snow plowing. If you've been following along, I've said in the past that last year I only cleared the driveway 9 times and already we're on number 3. So I assume we're gonna get lots more snow than last time. It's around 0 degrees, so I'll put that in Fahrenheit below. We had some snow yesterday, but I didn't plow, or I didn't snowblow. Leave me in the comments which you guys say when you're plowing or snowblowing. Do you actually say plowing even though you're using a snowblower? Do you remove snow? Anyways, but we got rain, so I wanted to leave some snow on the driveway so that the rain would freeze on the top of the snow and not on the driveway itself, creating a very slippery surface. So now it has a nice layer of snow underneath, so we're gonna go ahead and just start getting rid of this snow with the snowblower. And stick around because I've got a trick for you people with the mid-mount mower arms that raise up and lower. I think it's important, so stick around. So, one of the things I wanted to discuss was when you have the mid-mount mower arms on a BX, they're controlled by the rear lift arms on your 3-point hitch. Lots of people, when they go into winter mode and they have a snowblower and they don't use their mid-mount mower in the wintertime, they will put the knob at the top setting. If you run it all winter long like that, there's a chance that it could get gummed up and not work properly in the spring when you need it for your mower or other implements. So I'll leave a video in the description of what to do with that knob and how to do it. But my suggestion, keep it so that it moves up and down just a bit, and then it won't get all frozen and stuck on you all through the winter. And just as I finish up, Aiden is home. Hey! Good, are you? So that will do it for today's video. If you're wondering what this light is, I'll put a link in the description below because I'm extremely happy with that light. It is a LED light that I got off of Amazon. I think it was like 120 bucks a couple years ago. It's made for parking lots, which this is like a parking lot. That I'll put the actual numbers on the screen below, but I'll put a link in the description for that video if you want to see that. And I'll also put the link in the description for my video on how to deal with the knob for the mid-mount mower. It seems to do really well, and it's a lot of help even in the wintertime when you're not actually using it, because you should be taking care of it, because lots of people in the comments will say that it's all seized, and I'm sure a lot of it has to do with the fact that they've not used it all winter long, and the mechanism underneath has gotten seized or not being used. No light in here. So yeah, check that out. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.